enjoy yourself. All right, all right, all right. We'll see you a little bit later.
Yes, burn you down. You can take a detour.
Nice to see you. You got it?
Yeah, barely.
Okay.
Normally, when I'm at an event like this, I can hide behind my security blanket, also known as
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Pacemaker tonight. If you would please come up, Vivian. Small token of appreciation, all of your assistance.